Okay, we are about to get on the Hakone, I believe. Yep, the Turnpike Hakone. FL5 Type R, that's cool. Oh, you know what? Let's stop here really quick. Because I want to get ready. This is the beginning of the Hakone. Here we are at the famous beginning of the Hakone. We are very excited. Beautiful M4 competition just pulled up. An FL5 right over here. And that GCA is ready to go up. But this is the beginning. I'm going to go ahead and mic the car up a little bit and see if we could test the mics. Getting really excited. Wow. Cool. Kakoi. Okay. Anyway, let's go ahead and mic the car up and get ready for some driving. I'm also going to put the filter on here, so let's do it. Okay, guys, so this thing's actually a little more hooked up than I thought it was. Anyway, mic's right here. We are going to give this a shot, and we are going to head up the Hakone. Just so everybody knows, we're going to be taking this easy. We're not doing anything. I don't really know these roads at all. I don't know the car, so just going to have a little bit of fun and a spirited drive. Going to let all these guys go first. They've actually done it before, so maybe I can follow far from behind and just get a little bit of lay of the land. Hi, konnichiwa. Thank you. I don't want to like be a hero and try to keep up because I don't know these roads at all. So basically they have like these red like markers that'll tell you like when to slow down. He's giving me some pointers. It'll be on the road. Yeah, which is really nice. I needed that. Wow, this is incredible looking. Exactly. Yeah, we're driving to the top of the mountain. This is the Hakone. I don't know exactly. They're gone. What do you say? Trying to get a handle of the vehicle, Amanda. Oh, we're stuck behind traffic anyway. I do that too often. Look at that view. Is that wild boar crossing? This thing is slow. I'm used to my cars trying to kill me. Look at that view. need to go fast on the straights. Let's have fun on the turns. Save as much space as we can to have fun. Some passing zones to put out. I saw some pictures in the bathroom of some people upside down dead. Yeah. We do a mountain. I don't know if it ends up being, it's like assumed it's this mountain, I think. Back with traffic. Lavore STI is crazy. Guy behind me is moving in a big body M5. Good for him. We're gonna map up, let's figure out where we're at and all that, and take it from here. Well, when it's free and open, it's a different story. There's a, look at this, beautiful. All right, let's go get out and get coffee and some food. So now I'm really starting to understand why people do this drive. This is incredible. And just look at all the cars that are coming up. GTR, another GTR, an FD-RX-7. There's another FD down there with the hood open because, you know, cooling problems. I know that all too well. So anyway, after this, this is the stop point at the top. We're gonna go down and head towards the lake and the shrine. But wow, this is just incredible. I'm floored. This view is a dream come true. All right, so we're about to head down the mountain now and head towards some of the sightseeing spots. So see that drive. bicycling up this, Amanda? Imagine that. Are you kidding me? It's horrible. Look at the mountain, babe. She said.
You went another car thing on the other side.
Yeah. A Camaro. Heat is not on. If you want, you could try and mess with it. Hairpin, where the red ones come up. Amanda's seeing a car and she's probably stoked that I won't be able to do this anymore. It's fun in the curves. This thing, what do you say? I told you, I'm not pushing it. That's my wife for you, everybody. She is a master baiter. Wow! I told the YouTube world that we were going to be taking it easy. I don't know these roads and I don't know this car. Wow, that was crazy. The drainage ditch is very scary. It would not be fun to get caught in. Furthermore reason not to go crazy. Oh my god. My wife. It's a very cute town. Hey, a GTR! Another GTR! Oh my goodness, I love this country so much. Oh my gosh. Oh, this place is so cool. Okay, so we made it to the base. We're gonna go get some walk around. The base of the mountain, the lake. At the mountain. It's like
Let's walk.
Anyway, we're gonna go get some cool sights, and I'll grab a couple of videos. Oh my gosh, Amanda's making fun of me too much. And we are here at the base of Mount Fuji now. worthy drive. Would recommend. This is insane. It's unreal. I feel like Kung Fu Panda
Yes.
at the
Yes.
at the top of the shrine or whatever.
When going up to the top.
Yes. This is really pretty. Wow. 1356 meters. Wow. Thank you guys for watching my video on driving the Hakone for the first time. I have a ton more footage driving from Tokyo, so I'm thinking about doing a longer behind the scenes vlog video with all the extra driving, as well as a no talking ASMR driving through Japan video. If that's interesting, let me know in the comments. But a lot more to come. Back in the States, working on the RX-7 and the IS-300. Getting them ready for the season, and everything is shaping up for a absolutely solid 2026 year. Got a lot of race events coming up and a lot of plans to do some real driving and get more video like this driving my cars. So a lot more to come. See you guys next Friday. Peace.